Ever wondered how website hacking works? Today, we're diving into the world of website hacking, but don't worry, we're doing it for educational purposes only. And our weapon of choice? Burp Suite Professional. Burp Suite Professional, or Burp as it's often called, is a leading tool used by cybersecurity experts and ethical hackers around the globe. It's a comprehensive platform equipped with multiple features designed to assess web application security, identify vulnerabilities, and fortify defenses against potential cyber threats. But what makes Burp Suite Professional stand out from the crowd? Well, it's the sheer versatility and depth of its features. From automatically scanning for vulnerabilities to manually testing for weak spots, Burp caters to the diverse needs of cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. At the heart of Burp Suite Professional lies its ability to act as a bridge between your browser and the target web application. This intermediary position allows Burp to intercept, inspect, and even modify the HTTP and HTTPS traffic flowing between the two ends. This unique functionality paves the way for in-depth security testing and vulnerability detection. Burp Suite Professional also offers an array of advanced tools for more specialized tasks. These include a robust scanner for automated vulnerability detection, an intruder for customized attacks, a repeater for manual testing, and a sequencer for session token analysis, among others. In essence, Burp Suite Professional is like having a personal cybersecurity expert at your disposal, always ready to probe and protect your web applications. Now, before we delve deeper into how to use Burp Suite Professional for website hacking, it's crucial to remember one thing. Ethical hacking is not about breaking the law or causing harm. It's about identifying and fixing vulnerabilities to make the digital world a safer place. Therefore, always ensure you have proper authorization before attempting any security testing on a website. So, are you ready to explore the fascinating world of website hacking with Burp Suite Professional? In the upcoming sections, we'll take a closer look at some of Burp's key modules and how they can be used in website hacking. Let's take a closer look at how to use Burp Suite Professional for website hacking. Remember, always ensure you have proper authorization before attempting any security testing on a website. First up, we have the Scanner module. This powerful feature automatically scans web applications for various vulnerabilities. It's like having a virtual security expert constantly checking your website for weaknesses. The Scanner module, in essence, is your first line of defense in identifying potential security risks. This module works by sending requests to the target web application and analyzing the responses. It uses a variety of techniques to identify vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting, among others. These are common methods used by hackers to exploit web applications, making the Scanner module a vital tool for securing your online presence. But how does it work? The Scanner module uses a combination of passive and active scanning techniques. Passive scanning involves analyzing the application's responses to regular requests, looking for indications of potential security issues. This is done without sending any additional requests, so it's unobtrusive and doesn't affect the application's performance. Active scanning, on the other hand, involves sending specially crafted requests designed to provoke a response from the application that indicates a vulnerability. This is a more aggressive approach and can potentially impact the application's performance, but it's also more effective at uncovering vulnerabilities. The Scanner module also offers a range of configuration options, allowing you to customize your scans to suit your needs. You can choose which types of vulnerabilities to look for, adjust the aggressiveness of the scan, and even schedule scans to run at specific times. One of the key advantages of the Scanner module is its ability to prioritize vulnerabilities. It doesn't just identify potential issues, it also ranks them based on their severity, helping you to focus your efforts on the most critical vulnerabilities first. With Burp Suite's Scanner, you can identify potential security flaws quickly and efficiently, allowing you to patch them before they can be exploited by malicious actors. It's a versatile and powerful tool that should be an essential part of any cybersecurity professional's toolkit. Next, let's talk about the proxy module. This is where the real magic happens. The proxy module is a fascinating part of the Burp Suite Professional. It's like a gatekeeper or a middleman between your browser and the target web application. It intercepts and modifies HTTP and HTTPS traffic, giving you the power to control and manipulate both the requests and the responses. Imagine this scenario. You're on a mission to find vulnerabilities in a web application. The proxy module is your trusty sidekick, helping you see the communication happening behind the scenes. It shows you all the requests going to the server and all the responses coming back. But it doesn't stop there. The proxy module also allows you to modify these requests and responses. This means you can manipulate the data sent to the server or alter the data coming back from it. Now, you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, by altering the requests and responses, you can test the web application's reaction to different inputs. You can check how it behaves when you send unexpected data or when you modify the data it sends back. This provides a powerful way to uncover potential security vulnerabilities. For instance, you might change a GET request to a POST request to see if the server still accepts it. You might alter the HTTP headers to bypass security controls. You might even modify the response data to see if you can trigger any undesired behavior in the application. But the proxy module isn't just about altering requests and responses. It's also a great tool for analysis. By observing the traffic flow, you can learn a lot about the inner workings of the web application. You can understand its structure, its functionalities, and its potential weak points. This knowledge can guide your testing efforts, helping you focus on the areas most likely to contain vulnerabilities. Whether you're testing for CSRF vulnerabilities, session hijacking, or simply analyzing the traffic flow, Burp Suite's proxy module is an indispensable tool in your cybersecurity arsenal. And finally, we have the intruder module. This feature lets you automate customized attacks against web applications, making it an essential tool for cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals alike. The intruder module is like your personal army, ready to test the fortifications of your target web applications, but always remember it's for defense, not offense. Just as a locksmith tests locks to ensure their security, the intruder module tests the security of web applications. It does this by automating and customizing attacks, helping you find vulnerabilities that might otherwise go unnoticed. Imagine the intruder as a master key maker. It tests every possible combination, every conceivable scenario to ensure that your web application is as secure as it can be. It's a relentless worker, tirelessly chipping away at the defenses to find any potential weaknesses. The intruder module shines in its versatility. It can be used to automate a wide range of tasks. You can use it to brute force login credentials, to fuzz parameters, and even to test for input validation flaws. It's a jack of all trades, a Swiss Army knife in your cybersecurity toolbox. Now let's talk about how it actually works. The intruder module allows you to select a base request, define the positions to be attacked, and specify the payloads to be used in each position. It then systematically cycles through the payloads, sending a new request to the target for each one. This process can be customized and fine-tuned to suit your specific needs. You can adjust the attack type, the payload options, and even the attack options. The intruder module gives you full control over the attack process, making it a powerful tool for security testing. But remember, the intruder module is not a magic wand. It's a tool. And like all tools, it requires skill and understanding to use effectively. It's up to you to interpret the results, to identify the vulnerabilities, and to devise appropriate countermeasures. Whether you're brute forcing login credentials, fuzzing parameters, or testing for input validation flaws, Burp Suite's intruder module simplifies the process and helps you uncover vulnerabilities quickly. It's your secret weapon in the ongoing battle for cybersecurity. And there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to Burp Suite Professional. and how you can use it for website hacking. We've explored the scanner module, which is like a virtual security expert, constantly checking your website for weaknesses. We've delved into the proxy module, the magician that intercepts and modifies HTTP and HTTPS traffic, giving you full control over the requests and responses. And we've unveiled the intruder module, your loyal assistant, automating customized attacks against web applications. But let's take a step back and remember the purpose of this knowledge. We're not here to promote illegal activities or harm others. This knowledge is to empower you to create safer digital spaces, to fortify your own web applications, and to contribute positively to the cybersecurity field. It's about using these tools and techniques ethically and responsibly. Remember that every tool we've discussed, every technique we've explored, they're all double-edged swords. In the right hands, they can secure a web application, protect sensitive data, and prevent malicious attacks. In the wrong hands, they can cause damage, breach privacy, and disrupt lives. The key here is proper authorization. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions before testing a website's security. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and unethical. It's essential to respect the boundaries and privacy of others, just as we would want our own to be respected. Cybersecurity is not just about tools and techniques. It's also about ethics and responsibility. It's about making the digital world a safer place for all of us. So let's use our powers for good, not evil. Let's be ethical hackers, security professionals who use their skills to protect, not harm. For more coding tutorials and cybersecurity tips, be sure to visit our website at bp-coding.com. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when used responsibly. So keep learning, keep exploring, but most importantly, keep being ethical. Until next time, happy coding and stay safe on